Oh 比那乡天色结拉长。대사 제봉 사히 토롱네 너 헤리비 효자 동정가 중매 센제 지찬 벤제게 달로 타여 사야 고마죠的地茶几正着个爹爹的黑对我现在看点比多不多这人不切结果啦，对比有几年，用几我努嘎不蹦着嘎，马里蒙比，东啊现在看，着一着米着嘛不住球。
Tatari Delia Shangari Passage Zamli Hidi Melam Chembe Jilika Tambi Nene Cheta Soa Tabanan Shinge Doshu Kunjishani Shanga Koma Tisha Doji Chonchaban Chodang Takana Shinge Doze Kujer Rinpoche Doze Abekata Rinpoche Tene Tizo Kanguninge Chede Pepe Kundre Namba Ani Tena Shinge Jagal I Melan Sobeke Tsuyenda Jile Namba Tene Passagin Shinti Namba Ni Tena Shinge Tene Chede Niene Tarindile Pepe Poronka Inge Kui Dongsi Namba Ta Ane Damon Namba Jitsuma Namba Tena Shinge Sani Dege Peritsobe Tsozo Da Tsom Namba Tene Shidang Shangari Yange Tene Shinti Tsengorinzi Choda Ane Tena Shinge Shonta Kane Pebeke Kandra Yangsu Zoba Telaya Nge Thoma Shangari Passagin Zamlin Hidi Melam Chimbe Jili Thomonke Tsabshibitone Nabat Samalo Darindege Melamge Soden Chimbolaya Pepatelaya Thoma Nomaleji Yangsu Zobatelaya Sound Shugayo Then Tsai Takoga Mombo Shimagiba Zo Shangan Koma Tisha Doji Chongjaban Chodan Koma Tinzi Rinpoche Nabanyenge Kalo Lomden Da Tagana Shinge Jaga Imelam Sobige Tsuto Tibi Tsuman Nambige Kagon Shisun Chede Then Shangarige Passagin Zamlin Hidi Melam Chimbo and Te Tambolaya Three New York Jasala Longemala Then it's a Kunchalilaya Nazige and Lidu Hismbaji Tatalo T Nimbatelaya and many Sotala Tatreke and Natsuni Nimba Pegayo and Matsebe, then Maumbalaya, Lo Sumba the Shiva Mintune, then Lo Jimalaya, Seattle, the Lo Jimalaya, San Francisco, the Lo Jimalaya, and Toronto, Nato, Nade Nazilaya, Rimbishine, Kodishia, Gatendeke, Nato Tata Tudan Kede, yes, 10 number Solonian Sinchi here. Then Tsavige, Stamp Melam said the Tsuguige, Giba Jinsengi, Shumagiba, Naronzo, Pe Kanchin, Janlaya, Nelaya, Teni, Chije Meba Nansuni, Tata Pada, and Incarcerate Melam said the Chije Tamchile, Ye Shimbajiresha, and Tejilaya, Naronzo Tejul, Yoni Jagalaya, Chiji Yonsu Zobalaya, Lota Shinda, and Melam Machaba, Zuguyore. Tida, Tumbitone, Shonari Naulaya, and Sashige, Melamdea, Natsu Unzuchito, Shangarambachi, Kagam Yuzung Tulaya, and it to Sumbachida, Tadandro Shimbatare. Tati me to the Krong Sejon Kola, Zamli Hidimelon Chambers, Guyade, Shir Jata Rinpoche, and Taji Yiri Yuyanda, Habardo, Naransope, Kanjin Bige, then Chire. Rishunre, Yosore, Kanshire, Kantana, and Naronzo, Chija Meba Nonsunge, Zeji Kan Shabatanche, Munyon Jinzu Chetoyada, Nyamba Lasso Chetoya Chige, Migu Tone, the Melamte, Unzu Shibachires, Shugayo, and Chabar the Naronzo, Roa Hado Chibe, Shanin Tamba, and Consciange German Choge, Tido Tislaya. Kalo London, Namana Shinge, Naronzo, Zenzula Yaba Inaya, Kondambig, Tuji, Karin, London, Nyachila Teni, and Naronzo, Peba Sevi Capsula, Samig, Karusegore, Dinju Chesachida, Kiba Chesachida, Miba Chesachida, Shawi Shawiga, Yurdicheba, Tindiji Chadeva Yidi, the Mount Balaya. Dindig Melam Chubu Mumbache, Naranso, Chishu Shawa Kam Peba Inaya, Chisun Rovachi Tole, and Kodi Shinga Inandra, Tagana Shinge, Tsuyuge, Sani Sosoge, Mana New Yuchenge Inandra, ngaranzo tsami ge thomi kolong kang shiba na shinge anin thala ya zasung jawa jinjin dola ya ten ngowa ta melam soda kang shiba ina ya ten ngela ya shoji jawa sido jiba tangchi ndu suba ji resha anin ngaranzo ge ten nam shi che melam jaba ina ndoshu tamche ge ten de ndunro ge resamne ngarang jindol tende sono shugyo ten tangi choba de ge 가르치고래 나쪽에 미도 기바진세 몸보치 시대바이나 넘어sol라야 되게 디세 까왔으마도 가면도 되는 다된텔야 내려야 저 아니 가르쳐고래 상계 고마트제 도진청 다리 아니 샤송 캐타바 텔야 되는 샤들 나쪽에 샤와 체라니 체랄 아니 고스샤베 땡다 제와 틀리 지행 그 툴야 아니 나저 참에게 이 타바니 샤드 두지치 지히고요 아니 다데텔야 아니 공스샹게 제문 초게 구스샤베 때한다 제바틀리지야 되는 마체베 드링아론 존델 페베게 아니 참말로게 ndoshi게 레덴 칸예바 탕제 아니 가르츠 주비가 되는 멜랑도 소다 든디 쇼고요 대신에 참말로야 아니 타바니 아니 투지 라멘데 체스 쇼고요
Toma Sakya Trichen Rinpoche Cholya Kuja Ngondu Pyune Teride Kabnibe Changari Pe Sakya Zamling Shide Malam Cheme Tuje Lebugi Suden Zegotolya Chipju Jambe Rinpoche Cho Ubegi Dongse Namba Minnesota Ngade Trezo Kongmegi Tumi Senator Carolyn Lane Minnesota Ngade Trezo Ome Tumi Representative Mary Kunish Podine Tagana Shinki Del Pebe ki Rinpoche Chore Tatanda Ladrinamba Kamne Gundigi De Pemma Chitu Lobe Tupden Janza Chota Kimbokada Sunangudu Cho Tsebegi any Mima Samalol Ya Nye Toma Zashin Tsebe Samdi Text Less Shui Tare Tanda Delia Tajik Zeguditolia Susungunia Duduch Cici Niji Shui that Rendanda Delia Tatame Kenseta Re and Tanda Koditsojungi Sotuchone Geshin Gabachi Tanda Melam da Devagi Kalop Sunshanambre Sonzan Yengunia Tatare Delia Minnesota Tanda Melam Chemoteng Niba Tsobdi in Aransu Minnesota Mimatolia Mune Halebigi Gabasambo Chade Yu Terende around to that's a joke on Trichen Rinpoche Cho Sanelia Shapsor Kuche any Mimansolia Tajik Sungjoki any Halebeki Takiabasambuki to Zuji Chade you didn't do any Rinpoche Cho Ubeki don't say number Solia any Susungani cutting lame to chest Shui any dead and Yamtolia Tataret and the Melam Nima Nisi Tadon Hadi you didn't do any Melam Digedi and the Tajik Koditsojung any Tome Cheshi Yoban and Shinki, any Chik Karsura Lekdub Yumaki, Susungoni, Mandishugu, any Tadion Delia, Sakya Trichen Rinpoche Cho, Kuze Shabe, Keja Tempata, any Tugi Shagon Tada, Lingudube, Susu Mandishugu, Shuata, any Tandata Delia, Naranzo Kunduna Bani, Chikarsugure, Tezotimi Pier, Sonsa, Ingetonia, Tsikchini Jima, Shuchochi to Zushira, Kamugubetoni. We, the Tibetan people here in Minneapolis, are deeply blessed to have the presence of Sakya Trichen Rinpoche and Dhungsey here in Minneapolis to take part in the second Sakya Monlam Chemo for World Peace. Sakya Rinpoche has been one of the most revered Tibetan religious leader for the Tibetan people who has a long history of serving for the Tibetan people. And I would like to take this opportunity to express our deep gratitude, our deepest gratitude to Rinpoche for his blessings to all the Tibetan people. And I would like to also take this opportunity to pray for his long life ahead and hope all his wishes will be fulfilled. And also I would like to take this opportunity to thank Senator Lane and Representative Kunishpudin for attending this event on a short notice. We deeply appreciate it, and the Tibetan community here greatly appreciates your presence here. Thank you all.
Thank you very much, and I am honored to celebrate with you all the second annual North American Sakya Monlam for World Peace. As a Minnesota State Senator, I deal with all the details of legislating for a quality of life in Minnesota for Minnesota residents, and in that I disagree with those who have a different view of what that quality of life means and how to attain it. Those differences have increased here and around the world, in fact, and they seem very vividly to be pulling us apart. It can be heartbreaking, for instance, for me, to know that children are being separated from their parents in my name, and just because they are seeking a better life. I know there are ultimately only two outcomes to this increased division and harshness, this hard-heartedness. And first one would be more violence, more suffering, more hate and harm. This Tibetans know very well in your home country. This I worry every day about overtaking the world. But the second outcome that is possible is opening to all that is present right here, right now, the natural wonder and knowing and compassion where the mind is clear and fear does not reign. Sensing the universal presence of all that is, peace is known here. Then into the everyday chaos of political maneuverings I return, in and out, learning every day how to carry with me this only answer. This inner peace, this knowing, this compassion, and so I deeply appreciate this event for world peace, right here, right now, and always, as we all carry, what we all carry holds the world steady. And that is the quality of life that we all seek, and that is the only place these details can be worked out. Thank you for doing this. Thank you for inviting me.
Well, greetings to you all. I'm Representative Mary Kunishpudin. I represent the communities of Columbia Heights and Hilltop, Southern New Brighton, and St. Anthony Village. It's really wonderful to see all the Tibetan folks here tonight and the community that you've created out of turmoil. It's particularly poignant for me to share this evening with you all because as a descendant of a long and strong line of Lakota Sioux Indians, I can identify with the effects of a diaspora. When my grandfather's family moved away from the Standing Rock Reservation, away from his tribe and his language and his culture, it began the disconnect from our ancestors and our heritage, much like many of you might be experiencing. Fortunately, he and my parents made sure we carried the memories of our homelands and our ancestors, and we walk with pride for our heritage. And tonight's event is evident of your community's dedication to passing on the souls of your culture. Many of you have loving, longing memories of the home country that you were forced to leave to save your own lives and ensure a future for your family and your country. We are so fortunate to have you add your culture to the diversity of Minnesota. Your children and grandchildren, meanwhile, are missing those memories, and I am so happy to recognize your efforts to hold strong to your Tibetan identity. As an educator, I've learned this from my students, and as a state legislator, I appreciate your community sharing your stories and your struggles and your successes with me. And in spite of all the persecution in Tibet, there's an inspiring sense of unity, of shared history, and crucially, shared futures here, and I urge you to hold tight to them. I know there are also a shared hope that you will someday return to a free Tibet. And in the meantime, I and Senator Lane support and encourage your efforts to sustain a strong sense of community here in Minnesota. It is up to us as a global human community concerned about the welfare of all of our sisters and brothers, wherever they may be, whoever they might be, to make a supportive action. In a world where powerful interests compete for capital, we, the people, must look out for ourselves and each other. We are all interconnected some way, and as the civil rights leader Martin Luther King once said, injustice anywhere is a threat to justice everywhere. The challenges ahead for Tibetans are sure to be long and hard, and we will most likely continue for some time. But we can, all of us, give our skills and our energy to ensure that our journey, your journey, and your contribution to this great state of Minnesota is met with compassion. I'm here with all of you in solidarity, so happy to call you my Tibetan sisters and brothers. And so I thank you for including me here tonight. May you all be filled with loving kindness. May you all be well. May you all be peaceful and at ease. And may you all be happy. Peace to you.
DJ la change Koma Trichen Rinpoche cho ne kalo karin nonjo.
Next, we welcome His Holiness the 41st Sakya Trichen Rinpoche.
Darinde Dhungsey Rinpoche namba dang Kongol Henje. Ani dagana si Khenpos tu Kindin Duzo. Ani Sunday Minnesota Choso Kongi Guzab Tumi Changari Nganzu Pyogi Guzab Inisia Jindakare Min Chamalol Shuyala and Tarende Changari Nganzu Pasage Monlam Tang Nibadi de Minnesota Longo Sutubje and to St. Tamal Handsome Yubati Ngaraine Shira Kabuchung in Kogabdi Gune, Tamalole, Nine, Gasuda David Tone, and the Tamjis Daily Shuyu. And Tamalo can say that the Monlam said, this Shira Kachumbo Yimbare, Kai is love in the Shuji Jawasa, the Java Tamjikia, and Tumu Nanche, Tumu get and Daisy Trumney, then take Chugi Titawi in Damba Javata, Doa Devata, that day is Yunguar, and Aranzo, Terikaza Shine Chunga de Mare, Gamu Per Rana in Eta, Tame Yonda can say that the Tande Melam Shomoseni, that's a Santa Gilson Gutembe, Gindu, Mambo, Nyamdo, Zomse, Melam to Sogare, Titising Aranzo, Compassion Battle, Inaya, that Perlia, Jim Druda, Tinde Ganga Yuba Indu. Gomba Mambunyam to jump to the other yard, Marity in a Gomba Sosu Nala, and Melo Lota to a Sakya Trichen Rinpoche, and Lotaba and the Guvenala, then the Melam Soya Yard, Melam Sudigaria, Mixegi Castle, Zero, Senemita, Zerimda, G Castle, Chiaro, the Mambu Yusari, and Dombada, so the Tigablia. Chaman Dunguarist, Sigitu, Tangatashra House Manu, the Ina Kingdom Bajabata, when that the Gaza Yundukalia, and Chaman Dunsi, Tigalia, Misegi, Cheho Bear, and the Mango Yusari, the Ina Kanda, Pagab Duki Jua Chungje, and the Kanda Chino was a Jamgun Chimbu, Lana maybe 2 years down, 2 Chilap, Tindela Dane, and Shota Risumache begin Castle that Chujuka Tamalo. Minyam Kombe, Yaba Suju, Yon, the Yonshimbache, to see in this and the Jare, Payure, that should you remake in the Melam, Yashamba to say. Any time out the Silo, Tanga Pension out the Sioux to the Chunga Marine, Dainda, than the Kembuchamba. Control Tungense, Titolia, then Chokware, Tomizore, any Jindazore, Ganga, Tungu, Nasi. Melam Tang Tambu the dining out Page, New York, out to Shira, Tatibuta, Yakushira Chunson, Tata, Niba Dita, Minnesota, Jida, 가서래 나란주 최소 초배 나네 최소 닝슈 장지래 디요래 지나가서 최소 시라 망고도 요아 말이 이내 다시 숨만나 시든지 된게로래 양아대 조니 디디 사변도 마소는 답제 엔데리아다 지 최소 중에 야부도 스테네야다 그 롬망고 침발에 미세 라마세 케메베세 텐데 레디 이나야 다미 무투이체네 균의 신 하버도 따탄다 초조 가서래 실비아 콩 기엔 시제 다다버도 메트로스 다다다 가서 내지 캔보에 대여래 나가는 신필이 알아도 베베 미 망슈시대 차대 예배인데 자네 다른사 타니바디다 두스투투바 중앙디시라야 부총샤 and melam said that package chamber also the khajun kolia jigde zamli shi disach the one said that zamli chigo thada mare melam the country rest naga thadu kyoba chizam simja mali thayan tishin chizam lada nyamon thakyo tage melam thayan thezam sumbanashi nangala thamebeshin the simja thamebere thamebe simja thamje 이 된데 아주 말람 자고요. 아주 가두이네. 담바카르담바 있네. 심장 탐지기 던져버상이 고마 더블 자스 지야 된데 심장 탐지기 동에서야다. 심장 탐지기 디지 주야. 어다 딘제지 체도 있는 거 말람디 조고요. 저한테 인디한테 주버 제발로 땅 아주 시 자고 제바지고 많이 뭐 조시시디 아니기 라마 근데 맞저게 때 다가나 신지 취지 미만저에 참말로게다 베 토마지 꾸로 야부키야다 근데 바르도 다 가서 삼반남다 그던데 되버이나 미마보지도 뒤제 간다 mellam 잡이나 되려야 제부지 때네 용투야 용거래 상그도 세상에 인디산데 다는 못이는 아주 딱 가리가리잖아 아 자리 유리선다 졸래야 주야 세시열에 다가나시 마음베다 점불링이 지 총지 가사카리아 나하버던 알아도다 최소 여사카 타말로리아 두두신 수투야그레와 지기여 인데데니 간다 뒤비다 간다 닝부르디 말람 초야 그 더다 닝부르디 가레레스는 산제기 담바타야 제도 수요레 가인스는 산제기 담바타라이나 이 셈젤라 디지 용구요레 셈젤라 디지 중앙이나 아니 그땅 아주 미우조로데 대sem장 탐제 이 동에서야다 디기 요야다 데르르 시기 체도 용구 시구여 바 인디자네 데르 드바 요야리아 이 장매 바게 가서 두고 균시에 나세 엔도스 제도 중에 시라야 보레 근데 인디 장매 다다팔리 있네면 강가 냠루지 조미 진다조레 진다종원의 주지 조선다야레 차례 나게 저 차네지 대리나야레 하나시 튕균당에 정원에 신균나를 된대기 때문에 아주 당보디 이제 가서래 야제가는 소토바 중앙에 대동이 나타 다다니바 되면서 단데서 가리가리 마음발이야 참말로야 된데 주투야 이 세시다 레와투스 여바 인디잖아 강가로리아 아니 고급디 균에 투스 시신 주고요 다 마부 쉬야면도 간다다 다들 산제 담바 름부지 쇼디 내가 탄지도 다시 제라 윤링도 내바다 아니 텐진 퀸지 조겐진의 공사 장군자 뭐 초고 유베 아니 쇼다 리스마지 비텐진 기부 담바 탐지 구지 샤베 담바다 투시 타다 매매 능지 말람 주고요 투시 So now I just wanted to say a few words here this time that we are having our second annual North American Sakya World Peace Monlam. Monlam means prayers. Prayers are very important because all the Buddhas and Bodhisattvas, they made prayers to fulfill all sentient beings' wishes. And so it is traditionally that we have in all the monasteries in Tibet, every year that we have Monlam gatherings. Of course, in Tibet is a very remote country, so the transportation and communications are very difficult. So many people to gather together is difficult. But each monastery, in their own, every year, annually, that we have Monlam gatherings. And so now, a lot of things have been changed, but under the guidance and blessings of His Holiness the Dalai Lama, that all the Tibetan Buddhist traditions are flourishing in many parts of the world today. And so now we have, every year we have Monlam in India and Nepal. And then also the first time, last year, the first time that we held the Monlam in New York. Because there we have a temple and also the largest gatherings of the Tibetans. So therefore we have the first year under the Khenpos, who is the main president and organizer of the committee, and then also the organizers and sponsors that all worked very hard, and it's been very successful. So this year that we have here in Minnesota, partly because our local center here is one of the first centers that we have established. I remember very well in 1978 that I came here first time, and at that time we kind of planted the seed. And now it's flourishing, and because although it's been time has passed long time, but with the members, now we have the residents Lama here, staying here, and also the very large Tibetan community here residing here. And so therefore this year that we've been able to start here in the Sakya Monlam. Monlam means prayers. Prayer, what we are praying for is not only for the world alone, but the whole universe. As we have, the space has no limit, so as the sentient beings. So our prayer goal is the limitless sentient beings, the whole universe, everywhere, everyone, to overcome their sufferings and to fulfill their wishes. And so therefore, of course, it's been very, very important, and everyone worked very hard. Last year we had a very successful Monlam gathering in New York, and so this year also we've been able to establish here, and for eventually that we wanted to start in many parts of the world. So it will certainly have an effect on the world. We hope that the world which we were facing today, many problems, the man-made problems and natural disasters, all kinds of problems. So we are praying for everybody, not only for this section or that section, but as wide as the space. And so today that we are all gathering here is a great joy for me, and especially I would like to thank the Senator, Carol, and Caroline, and Representative Mary Kunish-Podin to coming here in this gathering. We are very happy to have you here in tonight's gathering. And at the end, I would like to pray that the whole world, whole universe will have a complete peace and happiness and joy and prosperous, and to fulfill everybody's noble wishes. Thank you very much.
Tibetan Jamni, Jamgo Kuma Trichen Rinpoche, Tang, Jamyan Mi Namdr, Dhungsey Nabatang, and Dana Shingi Lapsum Gurmin Zimbi, Khenpos Ladru, and Dana Shingi Sanindiki, Chunsoki, Tumanabani Tang, and Dana Shonta Kani Pepi Gundren Tang, Monlam Sovala Chocher and Number Yongla, and Gondry Chala, Dini, some traditional shoe. And Tajidang Tanda Changari Monlam Sobigi Sozu Kimbu Chambalani Shubatat Tanganzo U Saji Monlam Sobatang Sani Changari Saji Monlam Soba Nigi Tumung Toni Tanda Kap Nibagi Monlamti Kodik Jordan Joshimbare Ani Detauchi La Tsuna Kainsenada Ganso Chedangi O Sani Da Changari Tau Tindrichi La Ani Ngaranso Poki Rikshungdang An Tamamain be Poki Da Chedang Rikshung Go Chani and Dindi Molam Ani Jabiag Tang Molam Soyagi Kokabdi Ani Zavi Jamguma Trichen Rinpoche Chimbo Choki Tuji Kadin Nyachi La Teni Chombajire O Dindi Songzang Dindi Da Digi Tuzu Chabarchen Dela Ani Gondu Chala Ganzo Changari Molam Sobi Ngoni Chang Ani Surdun Sham Andela Tuji Kadin Sama Ani Shue Kokabdi Juni Usaja Molam Sobi Ngoni Chang Ani Komatichin Dojin Chang Chimbo Cho Zubigi Ani Dela Japchur Dang Tukur Nangkin Yungsu Zobala Ning Tabani Tuji Che Shinduchong Ani Tadun Dela Jino Kongsa Jamgun Yishinobu Choki Zubigi Ani Jichin Dambanambi Guzi Shaba Yurang Dambadang Tuji Shegung Bemil Henjin Zubigi Ani Dashi Mendin Shuguyo Kadinshi
Ramjana Jilana maybe Uti Jungle Guma Tichen Rinpoche Chola Gosung Guja Ngan Tami Tone and Tenin Delia Debe Teni Yangokui Dhungsey Rinpoche Nambatam Dana Yang Teni Podang Nani Dayon Nambata Jizuma Namba Ane Yang Yuko Namba Dana Yang Ane Sani Minnesota Ngadig Tuso Kong Tunama Nita Dana Yang Ranjong Zenjbam Junzu Pema Chitu Kong Tsarin Zilata Dana Yang Chitu Kimbukada Gundusanala Ane Yang Tene Puertan Ja Kasani Cheto Tene Malanchimbolia Shajaking Anchayu Gundi De Largesi Gundunamba Samadria and Danaki Mama Chamadia, Missig Suzuki and Jidu in Jejna, number Samadia, Missig Sandishuain. Draw Malib, Pendant Uni, Gunji Nandi gave Landoji Timber Muche, Taji Uni Yuntoso, Berkanjin, Jonsu Kilo Chuson Jebe, Loben Jalem. Janju Samba Denzonbani, Resuma Chibi, Chichi, Mambo, Tendome, Tuye, Jatin, Taji Chichi Junior, Chilchi Dongu Janga Chungaguni, Rangi Puna, Tunju Mazebi Chambi, Jatin Rishuna Chivala, Nacha Sachi Jundin, Zada Nisujunayam, Harji Sigi Zujin, Chino Kunsa Jangu Chimu Chodan, Jango Kumatajan Machine, Chunani, Ubi, Rimi Chichimambu, Mambuga, Tiba Sonda Jide Tsumbi. Jai Timbar Muche, Namba Lasso, the Manajunzele, Tuji, Tanja Timbo Gite, Hiru Kolosung, Zezam, Zali Yola Chepe, Zedan Zemisuchi, Jata Nijibi Duran Delia, Sansin, and Jungi Goshama, Tugotam, Jidun Chun, like Hide Yonatam, Name Puranki, Timbar Muche, Manajunzele, Medokana Pubil Hake, Council Chui Jabo, Rina Jango Chada Kolongo, Jango Kumatin Muchoge, Uti Lamden, Temba Chujin, Jindana, Tunjurandela Teni. Jaga Pabi, the passage in Jidin Malachimo, Onini, Melon Nala cooking. Longo Teda, Jungle Kumatin Muchotam, Jungle Dashin Jida Mucho, Judge the Aki with Georgia Tension Mucho, Judge Wakachin Ludin Contin Mucho, Ube, Lachina Mekunga, Wajala Mandiba, Nawa Chizig, Malachimo, Tongo, the Shevsukade Chante, Zani Statue Kansani Chevena, Tedo Lomba, Chata Mamola Sasa Song, Color Lamdosu Savi Cadena, Naya Shatota. Dali Jan need Hassan Nandi Rishon la Kuyenche, Tomfe Janan, Tugunaji, Aritonchi Minnesota La Pende Juni Jay Timber Much Taji Uni, Yoatam, Tenzo Kunji Tsujin, General Consa Changu Chimucho, Ube, Tenzi Chichinamba, Shabe Kawaja, Timba Shuazo, Guba Tumira Zini, Char Passagin, Zaniki de Malachimo, Tiniba Unzunawala, Gazi Koyungani, Sunday da Tuja Lesu Shuayin. Labchin Legin Deta with Hingonjo Chuana, Sagan de to Chinibatabi, Mande Chidi, Jagachimo, Jamaica, Shumani, Dajin, Elena, Malachimo, Muso, Uni Tubatson, Maze, Rajana, Tichane Tamba, Jango Kuma Trichen Rinpoche, Muso, Malachimo, Tonga, the Shasu Kade Joni, Uji Nawachina, Ranja, Tedin Lomba Yonje, Tenda Yume in Dita Imbi, New in the Kade Saki, Tuichation to John. Jar Passagin Zaniki de Malachimo Dene, Patsach Rinu Timamba, Jatin Jangada, Padistajabini, Chindu Chedam, Hava, Chino Consa Changu Chula, Kukuta, Perkanjin Julan Zada Nerang, Tugunde, Mushu, Josone, Roland Hemenaki, Jamaica, Jakub Chimbundel Nebi, Drawing like Hide Pansu, Lichi Imbi, Tini, Permian Changote Hute, Ni Jakuchimundi, Shumanila, Music Twitch. Lejam, de Linia Nambatan, Chuju, Mama Unit, Hello Chijinga, Tuku, Tansi Ochu Jindige, Jaju Kumanani, Kagulan, Nijato, Jamaica, Passage, Zani Hide Malachimo, Mo Tune, June Yunga, Shingudan, Sunday Shuayin. Tadun Nagaji Gata and De Tolatene, Ramjan Jawakunja Zujin, General Consa Changuin Chimuchodan, Ramjana Jelana Uti, Jango Kumana Ube, Rimi Chichina, Kutse Shebe Kajati in Zetin Jivatam, Rangi Perkanjin, Jus Nurju Gosuta, the Mime Kini, Hijin Nanzon Yuatam, Deto Sijana, Namji Jay, Kumarambuche, Not Tabe, Mentor Shuayin, Twisha.
Dear Holiness, Sakya Trichen Rinpoche, Avikrita Rinpoche, we also Senator Lang, Representative Kunesh Boding, and all the Rinpoches, Khenpos, Damos, Jesumas, Lamas, and the distinguished guests, Dharma brothers and sisters. My name is Sylvia Yu. I'm the president of the Minnesota Sakya Center, Sakya Trichen Rinpoche. On behalf of the Khenpo Tibetan Buddhism and members of the Sakya Trichen Rinpoche, I'd like to welcome all of you, North American Sakya Monlam organizers, volunteers, and out-of-town Dharma brothers and sisters coming to Minnesota. Sakya Trichen Rinpoche is grateful for this opportunity to assist in this auspicious event of the second annual North America Sakya Monlam World Peace Prayer Ceremony. We're also very honored to host the visiting Torma makers, Lama Leishe from Pematal and Lama Lukdu from Darjeeling at our center, and to witness these hardworking month-long hard work of making these beautiful tormas. I also like to take this opportunity to thank all the hardworking volunteers from both the North America Sakya Monlam organization and Minnesota Sakya Center for putting this event together. Sakya Trichen Rinpoche was founded in 1978 as advised by His Holiness the Sakya Trichen, and we just celebrate our 40th years anniversary recently in May during His Holiness the 42nd Sakya Trichen's visit. We are grateful that teachers like His Holiness Sakya Trichen has come here, no matter whether our center are at members' house or in a one-bedroom apartment, or now we have three-bedroom condos. They keep coming for the past 40 years. We are very, very, very grateful. And we are also very grateful that Khenpo Tibetan Buddhism was appointed as resident Lama of Sakya Trichen Rinpoche and arrived in January 2016. Currently, Center offers weekly meditations, teachings, We have Sunday children program, Dharma program. We host High Lamas teachings, visits, and celebrate birthday of our His Holiness the Sakya Trichen, and then Buddhist holy days annually. We are very fortunate to have devoted members, both Tibetans and non-Tibetans, working together, supporting the center activities. We are also very fortunate to have other Dharma centers and very supportive Tibetan American Foundation of Minnesota and Tibetan community when we have High Lamas visits. We hope one day we will have our own lot and to build a house that we can host Your Holiness when you visit and stay longer, and then to have center activity there. The mission statement of Minnesota Sakya Center is to fulfill the spiritual needs of people in the Twin City area. It's wonderful to have this opportunity of this Monlam so that we can all get together for a few days and doing prayers for the world peace, and then also for our teachers' health and long life, and to accumulate merits. We hope you enjoy your Minnesota visit. Minnesota is the state of the 10,000 lakes, and we hope you will come back and participate in our future events in the near future. Thank you very much.
Zangli Tendu Pange, Sunda Majipa, Shangan Goma Tichen Dojin Chimbo Chola, Goson Kujang and Hude, Gambo Goni Tutsia Chimbu, Shon Are Passage in Zangli Hili Melan Chimbo Tongento, Gadin Shomba, Melan Subi Tashude, Tuje Karanchi Shuji. Reason Sambinanto, Shaje Poron, Naniji, Gui Dungzen number Wu, Jayon Nani. Dama namba Chuji Rimich Lato Kimbo Shane Gendo Duba namba Shon Are Passage in Zangli Hiti Melan Chimbo Pepper Nye Melan Sobe Taku De Tuje Karinche Shuji Sane Minisori Treto Gomi Tomi Jam Caroline Ton Treto Gomi Tomi Mary Kanesh Pardon Nin de Peba, Nia Melan Sobi Tashude, Tuje Karinche Shujin Passage Shinto Namba Niton, Shon Ari, Pe Memon Shinto, Anita Nogi Sane Minnesota, Sasha Chuso, Totinta Jelling, U, Ane Chuso Carton, Sane Minis, Sota Peri, Shinto Sobare, Ane Taganogi, Tonlon, Kagupa Namba. Sane ta memon number tunju jasho no tel tene ane ngazo melan sobe ki chashu de tuje karinche se shwe ane misa to tuje che shwe la ane ngazo melan ka ni pate ane tata ta Minnesota tu le yin se na tata pod ane tele tuje Missy Mombo's Tonyere, and it Tony Tonon number, and a Misa Kande, Perishon Sobike, Shehon Yayare, and it Taranoge, Sosoki Lekari, Nomile Mate Pachene, and it Terip Tamelon Sobande, Yapo Chaya Chiton, 30% of a chayate, and a chain number Karin Tinle Shunju Shidu, and in Soa Chimbutona Chin number, Ninko Rupitine, Tuje Karin Chase Shui, and Tushena.
Sakya 比那小天使接拉长。sa che bon sa hi to lo ne no he ri bi xiu za dong zhong ga zhong me sen jie qi qian bian zai ge san lo ta ye sa ya gu ma jiu cha chi trong trong ca để đợi khi đôi ngã sen dễ kề biển bị đổ bố đổ trở rừng bố chê la đêm biếu tình nè yom ti wong nu ca bông bông trong ca mà đi mong đi đông a sen dễ kề rồi đồ mi đồ mà bố tu chiều lời cho ba